From the moment humans first dreamt of touching the sky, we have been driven by an insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown. We climbed mountains, took to the skies, and eventually broke free from Earth's gravity to venture into the vast expanse of space. Each milestone in our journey has brought with it a new perspective, a fresh understanding of our place in the cosmos. Orbiting Earth at an altitude of approximately 250 miles, the ISS is a marvel of engineering and international collaboration. It serves as a home and laboratory for astronauts from around the world, conducting vital scientific research and pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. From this unique perspective, Earth is transformed from a collection of continents and countries into a single, interconnected sphere. As we embark on a visual journey to explore the stunning views of Earth from the ISS, prepare to be humbled, inspired, and filled with a renewed sense of wonder for the pale blue dot we call home. The International Space Station, often referred to as the ISS, is a testament to human ingenuity and international cooperation. It is the largest artificial object ever placed in orbit, a symbol of what we can achieve when nations work together towards a common goal. The ISS is more than just a structure. It is a home away from home for the astronauts who live and work aboard it. These brave men and women endure rigorous training and make significant sacrifices to advance our understanding of space and our place within it. They conduct experiments in microgravity, observe Earth's systems from a unique perspective, and test technologies that will pave the way for future space exploration. Astronauts adapt to living in a weightless environment, where even the simplest tasks require careful thought and execution. They witness breathtaking sunrises and sunsets every 90 minutes as they orbit the planet at an astonishing speed of 17,500 miles per hour. As the ISS circles the Earth, completing an orbit every 90 minutes, its inhabitants are treated to a constantly changing panorama of our planet's beauty. From this cosmic vantage point, the intricate details of our world come alive in a way that is simply impossible to comprehend from the ground. The vastness of the oceans, the rugged peaks of mountain ranges, the swirling patterns of clouds, all become part of a breathtaking tapestry that evokes awe and wonder. The Earth, when viewed from space, appears as a vibrant oasis of life in the vast darkness. Continents appear as large land masses, their shapes instantly recognizable despite the absence of political borders. From this perspective, it becomes abundantly clear that our planet is interconnected, a delicate ecosystem where every part plays a vital role. Deserts glow with an otherworldly beauty, their sand dunes sculpted by the wind into mesmerizing patterns. Forests stretch across continents, appearing as vast green carpets teeming with life. The views of Earth from the ISS are not just breathtakingly beautiful, they are also a stark reminder of our planet's fragility. The thin blue line of the atmosphere, visible from space, represents the delicate layer of gas that protects all life on Earth from the harshness of space. The images captured from the ISS have become iconic representations of our place in the universe. These images transcend cultural and political boundaries, reminding us that we are all inhabitants of this one planet sharing a common destiny. Let us be inspired to protect this fragile oasis, to preserve its beauty and diversity for future generations. And let us never forget that while we may journey to the stars, Earth will always be our one and only home. From the cupola of the International Space Station, gazing upon Earth evokes a profound sense of awe. The planet unfurls beneath you, a swirling sphere dominated by the color blue. Oceans, covering over 70% of Earth's surface, paint our planet in shades of azure, from the deep indigo of the Pacific to the cerulean waters of the Caribbean. This dominance of blue speaks volumes about the nature of our world. a world where water is the elixir of life. From the microscopic phytoplankton that form the base of the marine food web to the majestic whales that ply the open ocean, life teems beneath the shimmering surface. Continents which from Earth seem like vast and impenetrable landmasses appear as mere islands scattered across this watery expanse. The Pacific Ocean alone, the largest of Earth's oceans, could swallow all the continents combined, with room to spare. As the ISS continues its relentless orbit, the blue canvas of the oceans reveals intricate details, constantly shifting and evolving. Swirls of turquoise, emerald, and aquamarine dance across the surface, a testament to the dynamic forces at play within these vast bodies of water. In tropical regions, coral reefs fringe the continents, their vibrant colors visible even from space. These underwater cities, teeming with life, are a testament to the delicate balance of nature and a stark reminder of the threats posed by climate change and pollution. Along coastlines, the meeting of land and sea creates a dynamic zone of constant change. Rivers, carrying sediments from the continents, paint plumes of brown and green into the blue canvas, tracing the paths of these freshwater arteries as they flow into the sea. The surface of the ocean is not a static mirror but a canvas that reflects the moods of the sky above. Clouds, those ephemeral travelers of the atmosphere, cast their shadows upon the water, creating a constantly shifting tapestry of light and shade. From the vantage point of the ISS, these interactions between sky and sea take on an ethereal beauty. On clear days, the ocean acts like a giant mirror, reflecting the azure hues of the sky above. The line between Earth and sky blurs, and it's easy to imagine the astronauts aboard the ISS feeling a sense of detachment, of floating in a boundless blue void. As the sun begins its descent towards the horizon, the ocean transforms once more, painting the water in warm hues of orange, gold, and purple. The oceans are far from static. They are in constant motion, driven by currents, tides, and the winds that sweep across their surface. From the vantage point of the ISS, this dynamic nature is revealed in all its glory. Massive gyres, swirling currents that span entire ocean basins, are visible as distinct patterns in the water, transporting heat, nutrients, and marine life across vast distances. These ocean currents play a vital role in regulating Earth's climate, moderating temperatures and influencing weather patterns around the globe. Hurricanes, those powerful storms that form over warm ocean waters, are another dramatic manifestation of the ocean's energy. The ISS provides a unique perspective on these storms, allowing scientists to track their movements and study their behavior, ultimately helping to improve forecasting and save lives. Scattered across the vast expanse of the oceans are islands, some mere specks of land, others large enough to support entire nations. From the ISS, these islands appear as jewels set against the blue backdrop of the sea, each with its unique shape, size, and story to tell. Some, like the Hawaiian Islands, are volcanic in origin, born from fiery eruptions deep beneath the ocean floor. Others, like the Bahamas, are made up of coral reefs, the skeletons of countless marine organisms that have built up over millennia. The isolation of islands has led to the evolution of unique plant and animal life, found nowhere else on Earth. From the giant tortoises of the Galapagos to the lemurs of Madagascar, islands are hotspots of biodiversity, treasure troves of life that are increasingly threatened by habitat loss, invasive species, and the impacts of climate change. As we shift our gaze from the vast expanse of the oceans, we encounter the remarkable diversity of Earth's landmasses. From the orbital perch of the ISS, the planet reveals itself as a tapestry woven with an astonishing array of terrains. Each continent unfurls below, a unique composition of mountains, deserts, forests, and grasslands, each contributing to the intricate mosaic of our planet. The absence of political borders from this vantage point emphasizes the interconnectedness of these diverse landscapes. Mountain ranges, seemingly impassable barriers from the ground, appear as mere wrinkles on the Earth's surface, their peaks dusted with snow and ice. Deserts, often perceived as barren wastelands, reveal themselves as intricate ecosystems, their dunes sculpted by wind into ever-shifting patterns. The interplay of light and shadow brings further depth to this tapestry of terrains. Among the most awe-inspiring sights from the ISS are Earth's mountain ranges. These colossal formations, forged over eons by the forces of plate tectonics, rise dramatically from the surrounding landscape, their snow-capped peaks piercing the sky. From the orbital perspective, their sheer scale is thrown into stark relief, dwarfing even the largest cities and highlighting the raw power of geological forces. The Himalayas, home to the world's highest peaks, including Mount Everest, appear as a jagged, snow-covered spine stretching across the Asian continent. The Andes, extending along the western edge of South America, form a formidable barrier between the Pacific Ocean and the Amazon rainforest. From the ISS, astronauts can observe the intricate details of these ranges, the glaciers that carve their way down valleys, the forests that cling to their slopes, and the rivers that originate high in their peaks. Deserts, often perceived as barren and desolate, reveal their unexpected beauty when viewed from the ISS. These arid regions, covering nearly a third of Earth's land surface, display an astonishing array of colors and textures, a testament to the power of wind and water to shape the landscape over time. The Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert on Earth, stretches across northern Africa like a giant canvas painted in shades of ochre, sienna, and burnt umber. The Namib Desert along the southwestern coast of Africa is characterized by its towering sand dunes, some of the tallest in the world, sculpted by the prevailing winds into elegant curves and ridges. Salt flats glisten like giant mirrors reflecting the sky, and even in these seemingly inhospitable environments, signs of life persist. Oases dot the landscape, their lush vegetation a stark contrast to the surrounding aridity. Section 4. The Green Embrace. From the vantage point of the ISS, the Earth's forests appear as vast green carpets, stretching across continents and embracing mountains, valleys, and waterways. These emerald expanses are a testament to the power of life to thrive even in the most challenging of environments. They represent the lungs of our planet, playing a crucial role in absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen into the atmosphere. The Amazon rainforest, the largest rainforest on Earth, dominates the South American continent, its dense canopy teeming with an unparalleled diversity of plant and animal life. The Congo rainforest, second only to the Amazon in size, blankets the heart of Africa, providing a home to gorillas, chimpanzees, and countless other species. From space, the intricate patterns of these forests are revealed. Rivers meander through the green expanse, their waters reflecting the sunlight. Canopy gaps created by fallen trees provide glimpses of the forest floor below. And along the edges of these forests, where they meet grasslands or human settlements, the delicate balance of ecosystems is evident. Section 5. Tracing Human Presence. While the dominant impression of Earth from the ISS is one of natural splendor, signs of human presence are also visible, etched across the planet's surface like a delicate tracery. Cities appear as sprawling networks of light, particularly at night, highlighting the concentration of human activity in these urban centers. Roads, like thin ribbons, connect these urban hubs, crisscrossing the landscape and highlighting the extent to which humans have altered the Earth's surface. Agricultural fields form geometric patterns, a testament to our efforts to feed a growing population. And dams, visible as thin lines across rivers, demonstrate our attempts to harness the planet's resources. These signs of human presence, while subtle compared to the grandeur of natural formations, serve as a reminder of our impact on the planet. They highlight the interconnectedness of human activity and the natural world, for better or for worse. From the perspective of the ISS, we are challenged to consider our role as stewards of this planet, recognizing both the beauty we are fortunate to witness and the responsibility we bear to protect it. Section 1. When day surrenders. As the sun dips below the curve of the Earth, a transformation begins. The familiar hues fade, giving way to city lights. Night descends as a gradual unveiling of beauty. The transition from day to night is a breathtaking ballet. The Terminator sweeps across the Earth's surface, creating a shifting boundary. The first glimmers of city lights emerge, like fireflies awakening. Astronauts witness the awakening of human activity. Streetlights flicker to life, illuminating human movement. Windows glow with the warm light of human habitation. Section 2. A constellation of dreams. From the cupola of the ISS, the Earth at night transforms into a mesmerizing tapestry of twinkling lights, a constellation not of celestial bodies, but of human dreams and aspirations. Cities, once recognizable by their towering structures and bustling streets, now reveal themselves as intricate networks of light, their patterns reflecting the unique character of each urban center. Major metropolitan areas like Tokyo, New York City, and London blaze with an intensity that rivals the stars themselves, their sprawling grids of light stretching as far as the eye can see. These luminous giants pulsate with energy, reflecting the ceaseless activity of millions of people going about their lives, working, creating, connecting, their collective dreams illuminating the darkness. Smaller cities and towns, scattered across the continents, twinkle with a more subdued glow, like scattered jewels on a dark velvet cloth. Each cluster of light represents a community, a gathering place, a testament to the human need for connection and belonging. From the orbital perspective, the differences between these urban centers fade, and what remains is a shared human experience, the universal desire to build a life, to find purpose, to leave our mark on the world. The patterns of city lights visible from the ISS reveal more than just the location of human settlements. They offer a glimpse into the pulse of humanity, reflecting patterns of energy consumption, economic activity, and even cultural differences. The intensity of light often correlates with population density and economic development, with brighter regions typically indicating higher levels of energy use and industrial activity. Along coastlines, strings of light trace the outlines of continents, highlighting the human preference for settling near water, a testament to the historical importance of oceans for transportation, trade, and sustenance. Inland, ribbons of light follow the courses of rivers, illuminating the valleys that have long served as cradles of civilization, their fertile lands supporting agriculture and their waterways providing transportation and irrigation. The color of city lights can also provide subtle clues about the technologies used and the age of infrastructure. Older cities, particularly in Europe, often emit a warmer, more yellowish glow, reflecting the prevalence of sodium vapor lamps, while newer cities, especially in Asia, tend to emit a cooler, whiter light, indicative of the increasing use of LED lighting. From space, these subtle variations in color contribute to a mesmerizing tapestry of light, a testament to the diversity of human ingenuity and the ever-evolving relationship between technology and society. While city lights dominate the nighttime views of Earth from the ISS, Other, more transient sources of light also punctuate the darkness. Lightning storms illuminate the clouds from within, creating fleeting but brilliant flashes. The aurora borealis and aurora australis, or northern and southern lights, are captivating light shows visible from space. These displays occur when charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field, emitting light in green, red, and blue. As we observe the Earth aglow with the lights of civilization, it's easy to forget that vast stretches of our planet remain cloaked in darkness. Yet, even in these desolate regions, the absence of light does not equate to an absence of beauty. Darkness becomes a canvas, revealing subtle sources of light lost in the glare of human activity. Stars shine with a clarity rarely seen from the ground, undimmed by city lights. The Milky Way appears as a river of light, a humbling reminder of our place in the cosmos. From the serene vantage point of the International Space Station, even the most tumultuous of Earth's natural phenomena take on an unexpected beauty. Hurricanes, those swirling vortices of wind and rain, often feared for their destructive power, reveal themselves as mesmerizing displays of atmospheric energy, their true scale and structure only fully comprehensible from orbit. As the ISS glides silently overhead, hurricanes appear as vast rotating disks of cloud, their spiral arms stretching for hundreds of miles across the ocean's surface. At the heart of each storm lies the eye, a seemingly tranquil void surrounded by a towering wall of thunderclouds, where the most intense winds and rainfall reside. From space, the eye appears as a circular window into the depths of the storm, a serene oasis amidst a maelstrom of meteorological fury. The colors of a hurricane, as seen from space, are both beautiful and indicative of its power. The swirling clouds, ranging in hue from pristine white to ominous shades of gray and black, reflect the varying densities of water vapor and ice crystals within the storm. The outer bands of the hurricane, where rain is heaviest, appear as dark, swirling streaks, while the eye, often cloud-free, reveals a glimpse of the churning ocean below. The eye of a hurricane, despite its appearance of tranquility, is a zone of intense atmospheric pressure and powerful downdrafts. From the ISS, astronauts can observe the eye's formation and evolution, witnessing the dynamic forces that drive these powerful storms. As warm, moist air rises rapidly within the eye wall, it creates an area of low pressure at the storm's center, drawing in more air from the surroundings and perpetuating the cycle of intensification. The size of a hurricane's eye can vary greatly, ranging from a few miles to over 100 miles in diameter. Smaller eyes are often associated with more intense storms, while larger eyes can be indicative of weakening or transitioning hurricanes. From the vantage point of the ISS, these subtle variations in eye size and structure provide valuable data to meteorologists tracking the storm's progress and predicting its potential impact. As the ISS passes over the eye of a hurricane, astronauts experience a brief respite from the storm's fury. The winds subside, the rain ceases, and the sun, often obscured by the storm's thick cloud cover, may even break through, casting an eerie glow upon the churning sea below. This momentary calm, however, is a deceptive illusion, for surrounding the eye is the eye wall, where the hurricane's most destructive forces are unleashed. While hurricanes represent the raw power of Earth's atmosphere, auroras offer a glimpse into the interplay between our planet's magnetic field and the constant stream of charged particles emanating from the sun, known as the solar wind. These celestial ballets, most commonly observed at high latitudes near the Earth's magnetic poles, paint the night sky with shimmering curtains of light, their colors ranging from vibrant greens and reds to ethereal blues and violets. From the ISS, astronauts are treated to a unique perspective on these auroral displays, witnessing their intricate structures and vibrant colors from above, uninhibited by the distorting effects of Earth's atmosphere. Auroras appear as shimmering ribbons of light, dancing and swaying across the horizon, their forms constantly shifting and evolving in response to the ebb and flow of the solar wind. The colors of the aurora are determined by the composition of Earth's upper atmosphere and the energy levels of the charged particles interacting with it. Green, the most common color, is produced by the excitation of oxygen molecules at lower altitudes, while red, often observed at higher altitudes, results from the interaction of high-energy particles with oxygen. Blue and violet hues, less common but equally mesmerizing, are produced by the excitation of nitrogen molecules. Section 4. Ephemeral Wonders. Beyond hurricanes and auroras, the ISS offers a front-row seat to a multitude of other transient phenomena that highlight the dynamic nature of our planet. From space, astronauts can observe the subtle movements of ocean currents, the ebb and flow of tides, and the seasonal expansion and contraction of polar ice caps. These ever-changing patterns, often invisible from the ground, reveal the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the constant interplay of forces that shape our world. One such ephemeral wonder visible from space is the phenomenon of phytoplankton blooms. These massive proliferations of microscopic marine algae, fueled by sunlight and nutrients, can transform vast stretches of ocean into swirling seas of color, ranging from emerald green to milky turquoise. Phytoplankton blooms, while essential to marine ecosystems, can also have detrimental effects, sometimes producing toxins harmful to marine life and depleting oxygen levels in the water. Another captivating sight is the movement of sandstorms, those massive clouds of dust and sand whipped up by strong winds over arid regions. From space, sandstorms appear as vast, tan-colored plumes, stretching for hundreds of miles across deserts and even reaching out over oceans. While often destructive, sandstorms also play a role in transporting nutrients and influencing weather patterns, highlighting the interconnectedness of Earth's systems. Section 5. A Tapestry of Change. The views of Earth from the ISS are breathtaking, showcasing our planet's constant state of flux. From glaciers retreating to volcanic eruptions, Earth is in perpetual motion. The ISS provides a unique perspective on this dynamic system. Observing glaciers retreating and deforestation highlights the impact of human activities. Let us protect our planet and strive for harmony. For now, Earth is where we make our stand. As our journey through the stunning vistas offered from the International Space Station comes to an end, we are left with a profound sense of awe and a shifted perspective. The images we have witnessed transcend the everyday and elevate our understanding of the planet we call home. We have seen Earth in all its glory, from the vast expanse of its oceans to the intricate details of its continents. Viewing Earth from space is transformative, transcending cultural, political, or geographical boundaries. The iconic Earthrise photograph reveals our planet as a fragile oasis suspended in space. It humbles us, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all life and the preciousness of our home. In 1990, as Voyager 1 neared the edge of our solar system, Carl Sagan requested NASA turn the probe's camera back towards Earth. The resulting photograph, known as the pale blue dot, shows Earth as a tiny speck of light. Sagan wrote, "Look again at that dot. That's here. That's home. That's us." On it, everyone you love, everyone you know, lived out their lives. Every human being who ever was, lived there. On a mote of dust suspended in a sunbeam, this image serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of perspective. From the ground, it's easy to lose sight of the bigger picture. But from space, the differences that divide us seem to fade away. We are all crewmates on this pale blue dot, hurtling through space together. The views of Earth from the ISS, while awe-inspiring, also serve as a stark reminder of the challenges facing our planet. We have seen the signs of climate change, from the melting glaciers to the more frequent and intense storms. We have witnessed the impacts of deforestation, pollution, and the ever-expanding footprint of human activity. The responsibility to protect our planet falls on all of us. We must act now to address climate change, transition to sustainable energy sources, conserve our precious natural resources, and protect the biodiversity that makes Earth so unique. The challenges are great, but so too is our capacity for innovation, collaboration, and collective action. The International Space Station itself, a marvel of engineering and international cooperation, stands as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal. The same spirit of collaboration that led to the creation of the ISS will be essential as we address the challenges facing our planet. We must break down barriers, bridge divides, and work together as a global community to ensure a healthy and sustainable future for all. As we conclude our exploration of Earth from the International Space Station, let us carry with us a renewed appreciation for our planet and a commitment to protecting this precious oasis. The views from space offer a unique perspective, but they also present a challenge. Let us act now to protect it for all time.